Did you know that sometimes the magic we're looking for is already inside us? Maya found a dusty paintbrush in her grandmother's attic, but this wasn't just any paintbrush. It was magical. When she painted with red, she felt brave enough to sleep without a nightlight. Orange helped her create the most amazing art project when she felt stuck. Yellow made her smile again after a really bad day. Green taught her that mistakes help us grow stronger. Blue calmed her down when her little brother broke her favorite toy. Indigo gave her wisdom to choose the right friends. And Violet? Violet helped her imagine anything was possible. Each day that week, Maya used a different color. She stood up to the mean kid at school with red courage. She helped her sad friend with yellow happiness. But here's the amazing secret Maya discovered. The paintbrush wasn't really magical at all. The real magic was inside her heart the whole time. The colors just helped her remember all the wonderful strengths she already had. What color would you paint with today?